if you want to clean the USB-C port or the charging port that we have at the bottom of a Motorola Edge 70, then let me give you some tips that might be quite useful. So if you want to use household items, here's what you can do. So first of all, you want to turn off your phone whenever you're trying to clean the charging port. It is just better to power it down before cleaning to avoid short circuits. You can use, for example, a wooden or plastic toothpick. You can gently insert it into the port. You can scrape out lint, dust, or debris with light motions. You actually should avoid, of course, maybe I should even say you must avoid metal items, like for example paper clips or needles, because they can bend pins inside the port or cause shorts. You can use a compressed air. If you don't have a compressed air can, you can try blowing lightly into the port through a clean straw. You want to avoid using your mouth directly because moisture can harm the port. And in addition to that, you can use a soft toothbrush. So if you have like a clean, dry toothbrush that is soft bristle, you can gently brush the inside edges of the port, but you don't want to use water or cleaning agents because of course this can damage the port or maybe even other internal components. Now, we can also use adhesive putty. You can roll a tiny ball of adhesive putty, for example, like a poster tag. You can lightly press it against the port opening to lift dust, and make sure not putty residue stays inside. Now, if you are wondering what you should avoid at all costs, then of course it includes metal objects like pins, needles, and paper clips, as I mentioned. And you should not use liquids like water, cleaning sprays, and so on. And in theory, you can use cotton swabs, especially with isopropyl alcohol, and you can try to clean the outside of the port, but it is not recommended to put it inside the port because they can shed fibers. And that's pretty much it. So thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.